Hello and welcome to Art with Shannon. In this video, we will be kind and draw a bee. You will need paper, charcoal, yellow chalk, and hairspray or fix. I will be doing this in charcoal and chalk. If you don't have at home, you can use pencil and pencil crayon, or roll-ups, wax crayons, oil pastels, or something similar. First, sketch a light outline of the body. Then, when you are ready, begin to fill in details. By flicking your charcoal, you make it look fluffy. Make sure to leave space for the yellow. Charcoal is excellent for shading and creating dark and light tones. When you are ready, use the hairspray or another fixer to stick the charcoal to the page. Let it dry. When it's dry, add your yellow chalk. Be kind. When you are ready, add other details. And there you go. Kind people are my kind of people. Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.